Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is go into my videos and take all of the videos from the house and put them in an album that I created. You're going to click add to album. I already did that and I called it Chris's House in College Station because this is a listing that I did video footage of, and it's Chris's listing in College Station. So you could call it 123 Elm Street, whatever. So you're just going to go through all of your video clips, video that you got outside the house, inside the house, and we're going to put it all in the same spot. All right, here's a little tip. If you're at the video and you swipe up and you click this little button, the square with the arrow, this blue dot with the circle is what we're looking for. It's going to let you select multiple items. This is how we're going to kind of like we're picking up groceries off the shelf and we're going to collectively add a handful into the album at one time instead of doing one at a time. So I'm grabbing all of these, and that's not from, oh yeah, these are not from the same listing, so I'm going to back it up. That looks like that's the last one. So I'm done with my bundle. Add to Chris's House in College Station. So now I'm done with my bundle. So where do I go from here? I'm still in my photos. So I want to hit the X or just get out of that completely and we want to start fresh. So we'll go to photos, go down, 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 down to albums, Chris's House in College Station, and that's where all of our video footage should be that we just dumped into this folder. Okay, so now we're going to go into CapCut. So in your apps, you're going to swipe through and find it, or you can, if you can't find it, you can just swipe up and start typing CapCut, and you should find it. All right, we're going to do new video, and this is not the right section, so we want to go find the folder that we made called Chris's listing in College Station. So we're going to go up here to the top to library. No, sorry, not library. Hello, where are we going? Okay, where it says recents, we're going to do the drop down arrow and we're going to scroll until we find the album we're looking for. Now this can get a little confusing because it's a mixture of your photo folders and your video folders. Just roll with it. We found it, Chris's House in College Station. And there's all of our stuff. Now, there's a couple different ways to approach it. You can either dump them all in and recategorize, or you can start with how the way you started the tour. So you can start at the front door and walk through. You can do a smorgasbord. I'm just going to select a few and we're going to go from there. So let's start with the front of the house. I'm just going to drop, and I'm clicking the number, the little empty dot to fill it up. And I'm clicking the plants at the front and the lockbox, and we'll start with that. And we're going to click add, and it has the number of how many you selected, 7. I'm going to pause this till it's done uploading. Oh, okay, it's done. So I'm going to hit play, so it just shows you what all of this looks like as a rough it dumped in at once. So now what do these buttons mean and how do we play with them? So first things first, your finger, when you utilize it, it can be very finicky. So you want to try to scroll underneath in this black space to prevent anything from disappearing. So when you're scrolling through your video, I recommend using your thumb in this black space down here so nothing gets clicked. So when you want to edit a clip, you click the clip and you're like, wow, that's really tiny. Okay, so let's say I want to shorten this clip, or let's watch this one. It's very similar to that one and very similar to that one. So let's just take the first one off altogether. We're going to click delete. Uh-oh, what if I didn't mean to delete that? You can hit the back button just like on Google and it comes right back. But I do actually want to delete that one. So these are basically all the same. We just need to pick a favorite, one or two. So for the sake of just this video, I'm going to show you how to edit. You just drag if you want to crop it, and it's not going to let you drag further than the video is actually filmed. So we're just going to drag it a little shorter. When you're done with that clip, you click the black space to click off of the video. If you're fat fingering it, you can zoom in like that, and it'll let you see the frames a little clearer. If you want to be done with that, you can zoom out. That's a little advanced. But the basics is when you want to trim it, you can reach either side like that. Okay? And like I said, if you want to delete, you keep it selected. You can hit delete like that. That one's a little too long. Oops, we'll get to that in a minute. It's because I don't have it selected. There we go. Okay, let's cut to the next clip of the flowers. That looks good. That looks good. Probably only need one clip of the flowers though. So let's just trim one of these. Delete that one. And there's video of me opening the door. All right, and we'll close right there.